Welcome to the new cult, ISO 19650. It's creating a world where information managers replace true integrators. BM is already a silo. Now the cult following is dominating social media with the obsessive focus on information management. But managing information isn't the point. We need to integrate digital tools into how we work, what we do, why we do it, and most importantly, who we do it for. If we don't pivot, we will end up with a world full of technical experts who can manage any dataset, but have no idea how to design, engineer, or build. Welcome to the future. Is this really the industry we want?